Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Trading platform Pocket Option for the binary options. Now I'm going to set the chart. Just give me several seconds to do this. Okay, so first of all, let's add some indicators, super trend together with Vortex and Caltner channel. So that's it, super trend, Caltner channel and Vortex indicator. And now I'm setting the Caltner channel. It's almost done. Okay, so let's save it. Fine, let's set the Vortex oscillator. Okay, let's put the period of 10, save, fine. So now we are ready to finally start our trading session for today. Let me draw for you the upgoing channel. I'm doing this right now. Okay, so you can clearly see that we are moving in the upgoing channel. And now price is in the middle of the channel. So we had the pullback reaction from the middle line of the upgoing channel, and price is highly likely to continue growing. So that's why let's try to open buy position here. Okay, so that's it. We have invested our $5 here. Let's delete the channel. We don't need it anymore. You have already seen everything. So okay, we have invested $5 in this trade, expecting the potential continuation of the current growth as a pullback reaction from the middle line of the Caltner channel. So $5 are invested. Now let's just relax and wait until the time runs out and we get the profit from this trade. Okay, it's almost done. Fine, the first trade is draw. Well, that's not so bad, that's not a loss anyway. Let's try once again. Let's try to open sell position instead of buy. Why do we open sell position right now? Why do we change our opinion? Because as you can see, we're staying now on the strong level of resistance. Buyers don't have enough power to break through this resistance line zone, and according to the master bounce strategy, we have opened sell position right now, investing our $5 in this trade. So this is our first sell position for today, and yep, we're receiving the reaction immediately. Just look at this, price is dropping significantly because we're receiving the pullback reaction from the resistance line zone. So now it looks much better, now it looks really better, and everything is going according to our plan. So trade is almost closed, just few seconds left, and yeah, so the second trade is profitable. So this is our first profit for today's trading session, and we have around $10 on the account right now. So that's a good start. Let's continue. Okay, so what do we have here? According to the current chart, price is going to break through the middle line of the Caltner channel. And according to the Vortex, we're also in the sell zone. So that's why let's open sell position in continuation of the current drop, because we're highly likely to continue dropping towards at least the bottom line of the Caltner channel. So that's why we have opened sell position here, investing our $9 here. Okay, so guys, this trade is also profitable one. We have around $18 on the account, and it's much better. Now let's think about the next trade for today's trading session. Give your daily several seconds to analyze the market and find the best currency pair for us. According to the current chart, price is moving in the descending channel, and now we are receiving the pullback reaction from the trend line. So let's try to open sell position in the continuation of the current downgoing movement, because I think that price is highly likely to hit the bottom line of the Caltner channel, because we're moving in the descending channel and we're receiving a very good reaction from the trend line. So that's it. If you pay attention to the Stupid trend indicator, we are in the buy zone. However, all in all, price is going according to the technical analysis in the downgoing moment, in the downgoing channel. And just look at these three highs that we had. Now it's the third high, which was where the growth was stopped by the trend line, where we started receiving the pullback reaction. Okay guys, as I told you, this trade was profitable one. We received money on the account. Now we have around $33 on the account. Let's continue pumping our deposit. We still have enough time for this. We still have enough time. AUD NZD currency pair. According to the current moment, price is receiving the pullback reaction from the support line zone, from the bottom line. However, we failed to break through the middle line of the scalping channel, and now we are going to receive the pullback reaction from the middle line. So that's why I have opened sell position here from a very good entry point on the top of the candle shadow. And we have invested $33 in this trade. By the way, my friends, while we are waiting for the results of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video, where you'll find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions in the VIP channel, and access to the trading signals, trading analytics and educational materials in the public channel. So all you need to get access to the VIP channel is just to write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP. I will automatically add you here for free. So all that stuff will belong to you. All you need is just right now open this description and press the link button and subscribe to my private TG. So don't waste your time, it's absolutely free. Everything depends only on you. Okay, so while I was talking, this trade was closed with profits, and we have around $64 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. So let's do this. Let's don't waste our time, and let's proceed further. Here, first of all, let's draw the upgoing channel so that you can clearly see the rise, the upgoing movement. Okay, fine. So here, as you see, price is trying to hit the bottom line of the counter channel, but we are highly likely to receive a pullback reaction. So that's why let's change our investment to $63 in open buy position here. Okay, we have already done this. To be honest, not the best entry point. Not the best entry point, because I spent some time on explaining you the situation. What should we do? You know, when you make the videos, when you don't trade yourself, no, just focusing on the trading. When you explaining something to someone, you spend additional time on explanations, and that's why you can miss the wonderful entry point, a nice opportunity like now. So we missed a very good entry point. Yes, we opened position. This decision was right, but we missed a nice entry point. Our current entry point is not so good at all, but direction is right. Direction is right. The entry point is not good. Okay, let's see what will we get. At least it will be draw, I think, because it's a draw. It's a draw. Finally, hopefully it's draw. Let's open one more buy position, because now I think that price will anyway continue growing. It will anyway continue growing, so that's why let's try to do this once again. Let's at least try to do this. Okay guys, so this trade was profitable one, and we got our cash from this trade. This is wonderful, my friends. So this is wonderful. Let's continue. Let's don't waste our time. Okay, let's check out the USD and what can we find interesting here. According to the current movement, price is hitting the middle line of the counter channel right now, and I guess we're highly likely to break it through. So that's why I have opened buy position here, investing $119. Moreover, according to the Vortex indicator, we're in the strong buy zone right now, so that's why I have opened this position right now. and I expect that we're really highly likely to break through this middle line of the counter channel. So all we need right now just to relax and wait what markets will show us. I'm sure that we will be in profit in this trade. Because as you can see, while we started growing so nicely, because we were moving in the descending channel, but sellers, all in all, they didn't have enough power to continue a significant drop. So that's why they were stuck by the support line zone, and having gathered enough of liquidity, we started receiving a very strong pullback reaction. Let's check ID, CNI, and what can we find interesting here? So as you can see, price has touched the upper edge of the counter channel, started receiving pullback reaction from it. After this price hits the middle line of the counter channel, sellers failed to break through it, so let's open buy position, expecting the potential pullback reaction from the middle line of the counter channel and potential growth towards the upper edge of the counter channel once again. So that's it. Okay, wow, that's perfect. Just look at this, $440 on the account. Oh my goodness, we did it, guys. Just look at this. We have turned our $5 into $440. This looks really nice. So this is one of the best results comparing to the very small deposits that we had at the very beginning. $5 we have turned into $440. That's amazing. So my friends, if you want to have the same kind of results, you can easily do this by joining my Telegram channel, my WAP channel. All you need for that right now, open description and subscribe to it. Link you can find in the description. So my friends, don't waste your time, do this right now, and I wish you the most happiest, wonderful, amazing and profitable day. See you all, and bye bye.